Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy Jay. Welcome back, man. And today, man, we got a lot of stuff, man. We have got our. I know some people is wondering how is my PC going and how is it running since my last unboxing that I did. For it was like 2 years ago, but I just upgraded my graphics card. I just got the. Hold on, y'all. I just got the motherfucking GeForce NVIDIA GTX 3060, and I just put this bitch in my computer. Here it is in there. Yes, sir. You already know. But yeah, man, we just put that junk in our computer, man. And I also got another thing in the mail, man. I got a new monitor. So we're gonna set this up, man. Go ahead and put y'all right here. Feel good. So y'all, it's the front. It's a AOC. Now I heard about AOCs, but yeah, this is also the how much hertz this gives. 165 hertz. This is the other shit to it. Might have to flip the phone the other way, maybe like this, so y'all can see what it say. I think maybe. Boom. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, it's the back. All right, I'm gonna take it out, y'all. I'm gonna take it out. Already opened it up and everything. Yeah, so this time I don't got a camera person. I'm gonna just take it out. Yeah, word two. I hope everybody's day is going well, cause my day is, you know. Just got back with some checkers. Let's get into it. And I got barbecue sauce on me. Don't worry about that. Got the legs. Got some cords. Got a I forgot what this cord is called, but I do have one already. I can actually have 3 monitors if I want to, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Got an HDMI cord, and then the power cable. Alright, just cut this thing off. And this is the back of the computer, like the stand. This is where the monitor is gonna be at, and then you can move the monitor up and down. Yeah. Got the screen out. See how it has a little curve to it? Y'all see? Took that out. Got the phone here. That was loud. Alright. Oh wow. It's actually a beautiful screen, y'all. Look at this. It's actually a beautiful ass screen. See that bang? It looking nice. Those are all the stuff it says, 164 hertz, and all that extra shit. And we'll see, got the red finish. I like that. And then just the back. Nice. Okay. So now I'm gonna get to y'all after I of course, hook it up. So I'll be right back. Actually, what I wanted to show you guys this. It's actually really easy to put the stand in. So all it is this is the stand for it. You just literally just do it like this, and then back here you just twist this, and it'll tighten up. But yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like. And then of course you put the monitor on this part right here, and then just gotta put it up on my stand, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once I put it up and set it up. Alright y'all, so right now I am moving my other monitor out. This is my old one. It was just literally a TV. So yeah, I was literally not streaming on a TV. Well, I was like when I first got my PC, but after I got my PC, I got this monitor. I don't know what I'm saying, like after PC. I meant to say like further on I got that monitor after I got my PC. But yep, now we're about to put this in. Yeah. Alright y'all, we got the new one right here. Got about to put a power cord in there, and this is my second one, and then the old one is right there. It's just the TV. Like, this is a monitor now. We got like for sure monitors. We smooth. And then now I just gotta put this in, like I said, and I'll show you guys what it on. Alright y'all, it's turning on, it's turning on. Let's see what this. Okay, we got a hold on, let me flip the camera. Alright y'all, so I got the new monitor up. This bit looking fine with the curve on it. Hope you guys like this video, and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.